French macarons are exquisite and delicate confections that have become a symbol of elegance and sophistication in the world of pastries. These sweet meringue-based treats, with their smooth, crisp exteriors and soft, chewy centers, are a culinary delight that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide. In this essay, we will explore the rich history, intricate preparation process, and cultural significance of French macaron. The origins of macaron can be traced back to Italy, where a similar almond-based treat called macaroni was created during the Renaissance. However, it was in France that macaron truly flourished and evolved into the delicate confections we know today. The modern-day French macaron as we know it is believed to have been invented in the 20th century, with Maison Ladurée and Pierre Hermé playing significant roles in popularizing and elevating macaron to a whole new level. These renowned pastry houses refined the recipe, experimented with flavors, and turned macaron into a highly sought-after luxury dessert. The preparation of French macaron requires precision, attention to detail, and a delicate touch. The main ingredients are almond flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, and granulated sugar. Macaron come in a variety of flavors, and their signature vibrant colors are often achieved through the addition of food coloring. The first step in making macaron is to combine the almond flour and powdered sugar, then sift and mix them together to ensure a fine, lump-free texture. In a separate bowl, egg whites are whipped to form stiff peaks while gradually incorporating the granulated sugar. This meringue mixture is then carefully folded into the almond flour and powdered sugar mixture, resulting in a smooth, glossy batter known as macaronage. Piping the macaron batter onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper is a crucial step in creating the iconic macaron shape. The batter is piped into small, uniform circles, allowing space for the macaron to spread slightly during baking. Once piped, the macaron are left to rest at room temperature, forming a thin, dry shell on the surface known as a skin. This skin is essential for achieving the classic smooth, dome top and ruffled feet of the macaron. After resting, the macaron are baked in a preheated oven until they develop the desirable crisp exterior. The baking process requires careful monitoring, as macaron can be quite sensitive to heat and can easily over or underbake. Once baked and cooled, the macaron are typically filled with a flavorful ganache, buttercream, or jam. The filling adds a burst of complementary taste and texture to the delicate shells. Popular filling options include chocolate ganache, raspberry jam, salted caramel, and various fruit or floral-infused creams. French macaron are not only a delight to the taste buds but also hold cultural significance in France. They are often associated with refinement, luxury, and the art of patisserie. Macaron have become a staple in elegant tea rooms, high-end patisseries, and gourmet dessert displays. They are often gifted on special occasions, such as weddings, birthdays, and holidays, and are cherished as a symbol of indulgence and sophistication. The popularity of macaron has transcended borders, and these delicate treats can now be found in patisseries and bakeries around the world. Their allure lies not only in their exquisite taste but also in their aesthetic appeal. Macaron make for stunning food photography subjects, and their vibrant colors and dainty form have made them a favorite on social media platforms. French macaron have become a canvas for culinary creativity, with pastry chefs constantly pushing the boundaries by experimenting with unique flavors, fillings, and designs, from classic flavors like vanilla and chocolate to more adventurous combinations like lavender and honey or matcha and red bean. Macaron offer a world of taste sensations. In conclusion, French macaron are a true culinary treasure, with a rich history and an intricate preparation process. These delicate confections have captivated the hearts of dessert enthusiasts worldwide with their smooth, crisp exteriors, and decadently chewy centers. Whether enjoyed in a high-end patisserie or made from scratch in a home kitchen, French macaron are a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of the pastry world. Their cultural significance, elegance, and wide array of flavors make them a timeless and cherished indulgence.